And now next is 13.1. 8:26 now. Yes. Question number 8. Up to the question number 7, do you have any doubt? Achal, you have done questions? Do you have any doubt? Up to the question number 7. No? Have you completed the exercise? Have you completed the exercise? Question 8 से आगे नहीं किया, हाँ? Okay. Ritika, have you completed? Good. Kashish, have you completed exercise? No, I don't need your notebook. But have you done this exercise or not? Up to the question number 8, हाँ? 8, 9 नहीं किया. Up to the question number 7. Why? I told you you will complete this exercise, है ना? Then why up to the question number 7? Okay. So up to the question number 7 there is no doubt, huh? Can you start from the question number 8? Okay. Now the question number 8. Question 8 is. Please, Rishabh, can you read the question?
From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.2 centimeters.
Just hold. A solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeters. Please look at here. Achal, look at it now. This is a solid cylinder having the height of 2.4 centimeters. Okay.
And diameter 1.4 centimeters.
And the diameter is 1.4. So we can write the radius is 0.7 centimeters. Okay. Then
a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out.
Okay. We hollow it, means we cut down the cone from this cylinder. So it means just imagine we cut down this cone from this cylinder. ठीक है, आपने सिलेंडर में से क्या करा, एक कोन आपने कट करके निकाला. So this is a conical cavity, okay, which is in the cylinder. Now
find the total surface area of the remaining surface.
Now you have to find the total surface area of the remaining surface. As we know that total surface area means the area of the portion which we are able to see. Now in this figure, just imagine what are the surfaces which we can see, like the base of the cylinder, like this spherical portion of the cylinder, the square portion of the cylinder, not the spherical, sorry, and this curved part of the conical cavity. You can see all these things now. So if there is in the question, you have to find the total surface of the figure. It means you have to find the area of dead portion which you are able to see here. So Achal, what can be the total surface of this figure? Area of cone. This is the curved surface area of cone. What is the curved surface area of cone? Pi r. Very good. So first of all, we have to find the slant height of this cone, because we don't know what is the slant height of this cone. Or for finding the surface area, we have to find the slant height. Ajay, what is the formula for the slant height of the cone? Good. Under root. Very good. So we are using Pythagoras theorem here, है ना? ये radius and this is the height. So we are using the Pythagoras theorem. That's why we are able to find the slant height of the cone. Okay. So for the total surface area of this figure, first of all we have to find the curved surface area of the cone. Pi r l and good. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? Very good. It is 2 pi r h. And no beta, this base is also available here, है ना? Plus 2 pi r. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So by adding all these area, we can find the total surface area of this figure. Is it clear? So you can take common pi r as a common. It will be easy to calculate now. 2h plus r. Any doubt? Now can you do this question yourself? height of the cavity is h2. Now explain me what should be if we hollowed out this cavity. Okay, we do the conical cavity in the cylinder which is not of the same radius like this question. इसमें तो radius same था, इसमें radius same नहीं है. Okay, now we have to find the total surface area of the sphere. Then how will you find the total surface area of the sphere? Only two hands. Just try. क्या होगा, गलती तो होगा ना, कोशिश तो करो. Okay, only two hands. Priyanshu, answer. बेटे पूरे जो फिगर आपको दिख रहा है ना कैविटी करने के बाद उसका एरिया आपको बताना है कितना होगा. Okay, we can find the slant height of this cone. Suppose the slant height is L. This is the slant height of this cone, conical cavity. Okay. Sphere तो है ही नहीं, सिलेंडर है. अब भी आपको क्लियर नहीं है कि एक्चुअली टोटल सरफेस एरिया का मतलब क्या होता है. मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले भी बताया टोटल सरफेस एरिया मींस द एरिया ऑफ those surface which you are able to see. In this figure, if you have hollowed out the conical cavity of different radius, then what are the areas which you are able to see in this figure now? अब इमेजिन करो एक सिलेंडर है और इसमें conical cavity हमने कर दी. अब जो जो सरफेस आप देख पा रहे हो उनका एरिया आपको निकालना है.
सर्किट नीचे का
ओके, फॉर्मूला तो
पाई
r square. आई एम राइटिंग पाई r1 square. r1 r2 करके बोलना. नेक्स्ट
ऊपर वाला सर्किट उसका होगा पाई r स्क्वायर ना पाई r स्क्वायर पाई r2 स्क्वायर.
pi r2 square is the area of those circle.
then पाई r स्क्वायर माइनस
हाँ,
कोण पाई r.
प्रयास आपको अभी क्लियर नहीं है कि टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैसे निकालना है. कशिश सिट डाउन. Where is the sphere? Cylinder. You have to tell me the formula. Okay, 2 pi RH. R1 or R2? R1. पूरा बोलो फिर. Plus 2 pi R1 H1. Okay, then area of cone. What is the area of cone? Okay. Plus pi R1 or R2? R2L. Okay. Then minus pi of which R square? Minus pi R2 square. हो गया पूरा? कुछ छोड़ दिया है आपने? स्फीयर तो है ही नहीं. सर्कल है. बताओ कौन सा, क्या करना है? R में दो है, R1 और R2 वे चार. यहाँ तक ये बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक है, इसके आगे क्या करना है? Just think, just imagine the figure. Just imagine the figure. This is the area of cylinder, this is the area of the base, this is the area of the parts of this area of the cone. Which is the remaining portion here now? नीचे वाला सर्कल तो ये ना. प्रयास
ऊपर वाला सर्किट और वो पाई वही होगा उसमें नीचे और ऊपर
क्या करना है इसको? पाई R1 स्क्वायर. हाँ,
माइनस
किसको किस में से माइनस करना है?
कोण ना वो सर्किट को कोण को सर्किट से
बोलो, मैं फॉर्मूला लिखती हूँ. बोलो
पाई r माइनस करना.
बोलो. माइनस लिखना था, सॉरी. माइनस
पाई r
पाई
माइनस स्क्वायर.
pi r1 square. Again something missing here.
कोण का फिर से लेना है क्या? कोण तो लेना है.
अभी भी थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट आपको अभी भी क्लियर है. निशांत 7 सेम ओके ओके कशिश यहाँ तक ना बिल्कुल सही हो बेटा। आपने क्या क्या ले लिया, बेस का एरिया ले लिया है ना, ये कर्व का एरिया ले लिया आपने ये भी ले लिया। अब बचा क्या है, बचा है ये रिंग। ये लिया आपने एरिया कहीं पे भी नहीं ना, तो रिंग का एरिया क्या होता है, क्या माइनस, पूरा बोला करो
minus pi r 2 square 1 square.
रिंग का एरिया क्या होगा, दिस इज द रिंग, द रेडियस ऑफ द आउटर सर्कल इज r2 and the radius of the inner circle is r1 है ना, ये तो ये। सो व्हाट शुड बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस रिंग, प्रियांशु पूरा बोला करो, ये r2 माइनस r1 क्या होता है,
area of outer ring minus area of inner ring.
व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द आउटर रिंग,
Area of outer ring pi r square.
which r1 और r2 which r हाँ r1 pi r1 स्क्वायर माइनस r2 स्क्वायर। तो हमसे देखिए कौन सा r1 और कौन सा r2 है। This outer ring is r1 and this inner circle is r2. So what should be the area of this ring? What is the confusion here? कितना easy है ये।
पहला क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ा था कैसे,
इसका रिंग का एरिया बता सकते हो ना, सर्कल का एरिया पता है ना कितना होता है,
pi r square.
पाई r स्क्वायर होता है। आउटर वाले का हो गया पाई r2 स्क्वायर, अंदर का हो गया पाई r1 स्क्वायर। So this should be the area of the ring. क्यों कशिश? So what should we do? We should add the area of this ring because this is the missing portion here. You add all the areas like the area of the base, the chord surface of the cylinder, and the chord surface of the cone, but you don't add the area of this ring, which is also there. It means you have to add pi r2 square minus r1 square. Is it clear? Okay. Where are this one? You can note down this question and complete this question at your home. This was the question number 8. Kashish, Priyanshu, sit down. Now question number 9. Ishan, you can read question.
A wooden article was made for scooping out the moisture from each of the solid cylinder.
Okay, this is a solid cylinder. Achal, look at it. This is a solid cylinder, and we scoop two hemisphere from both the ends. Okay, यहाँ से भी आपने हेमिस्फीयर का डेकोरेशन कर दिया और यहाँ से भी. There are two hemisphere depressions on each side of this cylinder. Relation.
If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm
Okay, the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter.
and its base is of radius 3.5 cm,
Radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter.
find the total surface area of that.
Okay. Now you have to find the total surface of the figure. Can you measure the figure? A cylinder having two depressions, looks spherical, hemispherical depressions. A cylinder with two hemispherical depressions. Can you find the total surface of this figure? Ritika, what should be the total surface of the figure? Dishant, sit down there.
We have to find curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder.
Formula?
2 pi r.
Okay, 2 pi RH. Then,
Inner surface area of hemisphere.
which is equal to?
2 pi r.
Yes.
Then we have to find inner surface area of both the hemisphere. Then we have to add
Okay. You can multiply it by 2 or 2 by r square. Kiतना good? सही है. आपने कहा क्या क्या question you are able to see here now. This curved surface of the cylinder and the curved surface of this hemisphere and again the curved surface of this hemisphere. है ना? So there will be h plus 2r. Now can you do this question yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't need to add any other formula for these different figures. We should be clear how can we find these areas, है ना? कोई अलग से कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं अलग अलग फिगर के लिए, फॉर्मूले वही है सारे, सिलेंडर का भी, कोन का भी, स्फीयर का, सब वही फॉर्मूले हैं, उनको यूज कैसे करना वो सीखना है आपको। Can you do this question yourself? Okay, sit down. Please note down this one. Now in next exercise you have to find the volume of the figures. Okay, and the volume is really easy as compared to the surface area. But you should know the formula of the volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere and hemisphere. So these are some figures which I am making here, and you have to tell me that what should be the volume of these figures. Like this is a cylinder, remember, look at here, and it has two hemispheres adjoining its both ends. What should be the volume of this figure? What should be the volume of this figure? 1, 2, 3. Girls, what is the problem? You don't know the formula? So, why are you not raising your hand? Ritika, what should be the volume?
Pi r square.
Okay, this is the volume of the cylinder. And then you are adjoining, you add something. In case of surface area, you have to say which figures, what are the areas which you are able to see. But in case of volume, it is really easy. If you add something in the figure, you will add the volume of those figures. Like hemisphere add किया, hemisphere की volume add कर दी. और if you are cutting something, if you cut down something, if you hollowed something, उसको minus कर दो. Easy, बहुत simple. सरफेस एरिया में एक बार को सोचने की जरूरत है कैसे कैसे निकालना है, क्या क्या करना है, कौन कौन सा एरिया दिख रहा है. बट वॉल्यूम तो बहुत इजी है. कुछ ऐड किया प्लस कर दो, कुछ माइनस, कुछ निकाल दिया तो माइनस कर दो. इजी.
The volume of hemisphere.
Yes. The volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere?
2/3
Yes. 2/3 pi r cube. And there are two hemispheres, so we will multiply by 2. Simple, easy. This is the volume of this figure. And what should be the surface area of this figure? What is the surface area?
total area of cylinder.
Yes, which is
2
2 pi RH. And अभी तो निकाला था ऐसे क्वेश्चन. आपको पता है जो जो एरिया दिख रहे हैं ना उनको ऐड कर दो. सिंपल.
The total surface area of hemisphere.
हाँ, कितना होता है याद नहीं है?
Pi r square.
Pi r square is the area of the circle. Nishan?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. This is the surface area of the hemisphere. Okay? And since there are two hemispheres, so we will add 2 pi r square and multiply by 2. This is the total surface area of this figure. Next question. Suppose this is a cylinder and having a conical cavity and having of the same height. Okay. So what should be the volume of this figure? Volume of this figure, Kashish?
Area of cylinder plus area of pi r plus
Volume. You have to find the volume of this figure. Volume, not the surface area. The volume.
1/3 pi
हाँ.
pi square.
फिर से बोल शुरू से.
1/3 area of volume of cone.
देखो आपको सबसे पहले फिर क्लियर कर दिया बेटा. दो चीजें आपने ऐड कर दी, उनके वॉल्यूम्स को प्लस कर दो. और जो चीजें आपने कट कर दी, निकाल दिया कुछ में से, मैंने फॉलो कर दिया इसको, तो वो चीज आप माइनस कर दो इन केस ऑफ वॉल्यूम. अब बताओ क्या होगा?
Area of cone minus area of
स्क्वायर एरिया पे आ गई।
नहीं वॉल्यूम ऑफ माइनस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर नहीं वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर
Can you subtract the volume of cylinder from this cone? This cone is smaller than as compared to this cylinder. So can you cut out this cylinder from the cone? एक बार फिर ट्राई करो लास्ट।
एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर
अगेन एरिया,
एरिया ऑफ कोन
फिर एरिया,
वॉल्यूम
वॉल्यूम ऑफ,
सिलेंडर
हाँ
माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ
सिंपल। भाई आपने सिलेंडर में से कोन कट के बाहर निकाला है ना, तो क्या करोगे? सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम में से कोन का वॉल्यूम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो। सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर? कशिश, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर,
सिलेंडर
वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर,
5
हाँ
स्क्वायर
हाँ तुक्का, ठीक है। पाई आर स्क्वायर h is the volume of cylinder and minus 1/3 pi square h. Simple. And what should be the surface area of this figure? Area of cone. Can you tell me the formula? No. What is the area of the cone? Area of cone is pi r l. Okay. Plus yeah, which is equal to sub volume of cone is 1/3 pi square h. This is the volume of hemisphere of the sphere. For the cone is 1/3 pi square h. Okay, thank you. 2 pi r h and plus you already add cone and the surface of the cylinder pi r square, the area of the base, है ना? Okay, sit down. This is another figure. Cylinder having hemispherical base and top surmounted by a conical top. This is the radius and the height of the cone is h. Okay. So what should be the volume of this figure? Volume of this figure. Rather,
volume of cylinder plus volume of cone
can you tell me the formula? Okay.
pi r square
Pi r square is the volume of the cylinder
plus 1/3 pi r square
plus 1/3 pi r square h, volume of the cone,
plus volume of cylinder
plus volume of the sphere, that is
square
2/3 pi r cube. Good. Sit down. I'm going to rub this figure. Okay. This is a cube having the sign L suppose, and there is a hemical depression here. So what should be the volume of the remaining solid? Priyanshu.
Volume
Yes.
A cube minus I square.
This is the hemisphere. I have already write the formula.
Yes, 2/3
Yes, 2/3 pi r cube. And what is the value of r here?
R.
What is the value of r? Yes. कितना होगा रेडियस? आपने मैक्सिमम सर्कल जो है क्यूब में से जितना बड़ा हेमिस्फीयर कट कर सकते थे, आपने कट करके बाहर निकाल दिया। अब इस हेमिस्फीयर का रेडियस कितना
अच्छा
होगा?
ये क्या?
What is the radius of this hemisphere? just think about it. The highest, what can be the largest diameter of the circle? Which is, it will be equal to the length of the side, no? It should be equal to the length of the cube. So if the diameter is L, then what is the radius? It is L upon 2. Clear? Okay. Okay, then 2 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, now the question of the exercise. Please sit down. Nishant, can you read the question? हाँ, wait. Exercise 13.2. Yeah.
Metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter.
Metallic sphere of radius
4.2 centimeter
4.2 centimeter. Okay.
is melted and recast into the shape of.
I think it is exercise 13.3.
This one too.
Yeah, 13.2 beta.
A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere.
Okay, a cone is standing on a hemisphere. It means a hemisphere and having a cone surrounded over it. So this is a hemisphere and this is a cone. Okay, please again read the question. Okay, now start.
A solid is the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter.
The radius is 1 centimeter of both the hemisphere and the cone.
And height of the cone is equal to its radius.
And the height of the cone is equal to its radius. It means 1 centimeter. Yes.
Find the volume of the solids in terms of pi.
You have to find the area of the volume of this figure in terms of pi. It means you don't need to put the value of pi. No? Zishan? Yes. Volume of this figure?
2/3
Okay. The volume of this hemisphere, it is
2/3 pi r
pi r cube
plus 1/3 pi r square.
pi r square. Or for your convenience, you can take 1/3 pi r square as a common. So it will be 1/3 pi r square. Here will be 2r and plus h. Can you find the volume of this figure? Okay? Sit down. This is the question number first. Nishant, the question second.
Rachel
Sit
and
down. बैठ के बोलो.
Rachel and engineering students were asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its end by using a thin aluminum sheet.
Okay. So Rachel have to make the what
Shaped like a cylinder.
सिलेंडर. एक सिलेंडर बनाना है उसको और उसके दोनों साइड में कोन अटैच करने हैं, है ना? दोनों साइड है ना? Okay. Like this. A cylinder in between and cone on both the sides.
The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter.
Diameter is 3 centimeters. We can say the radius is 3/2 centimeter.
And its length is 12 centimeter.
Total length is
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. Okay.
Each cone has a height of 2 centimeter.
The height of the conical portion is 2 and 2.
Find the volume of air contained in the model that uses it.
You have to find the volume of air in it. It means you have to find the volume of this figure. Okay. So first, for finding the volume, we should do the height of the cylinder. Ajab, how can we find the height of the cylindrical portion? हाँ
और एक सिलेंडर है,
हाँ
तो सिलेंडर प्लस दोनों को
हाँ, तो एक और 1/3 pi r square चाहिए। So it means plus 1/3 pi r square h. Answer, it's really so easy. You have to add all the volume of the figures like this cone plus the cylinder plus this cone. क्या problem है? हाँ? Now there are 2/3 pi r square h plus pi r square h. Okay, okay. So we should mention the height like h1 and h2. यहाँ पे कई बार हम गलती कर जाते हैं, बहुत ध्यान से ध्यान रखना, हाइट कौन सा कोन का लेना, कौन सा सिलेंडर का लेना। कई बार क्या होता है कि हमने दोनों तरफ एच एच ले लिया, अब हम कॉमन लेने चले तो हमें लगता है सारे एच बराबर है। तो जब भी आप यूज करें ये फॉर्मूला हमेशा ध्यान रखें हाइट अलग अलग है, तो h1 h2 मेंशन कर दे तो आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अब दोनों को ऐड करने के लिए देखो क्या आता है, 2/3 pi r square h1 plus pi r square h2। रेडियस आर सेम, तो रेडियस के साथ तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। नाउ इफ वी टेक pi r square as common, so it will be 2/3 h1 plus h2, where h1 is the height of the conical portion and h2 is the height of the cylinder. Is any doubt? Can you do this question? Okay, for every question we have to write properly, like what is the radius of the cylinder, what is the radius of the cone, what is the height of the conical portion, what is the height of the cylindrical portion, okay, and then you can apply the formula. तो मेंसुरेशन को बहुत अच्छे से बहुत तरीके से लिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि ज्यादा नंबर में आते हैं इसके क्वेश्चंस। 4 नंबर में, पहले तो 4 नंबर में आते हैं, तो 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं। सो आपको बहुत प्रॉपर्ली लिखना चाहिए, क्या क्या चीजें गिवन है क्वेश्चन में और क्या क्या आपको निकालना है, पूरा फिगर बना के प्रॉपर्ली समझाना चाहिए। क्लियर? सिट डाउन। ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस वन। Now I am going to check your notebooks. So please do this exercise in your homework, and then you can ask me your doubts. Okay? Tomorrow you will ask me your doubts from exercise 13.2. All this exercise in your homework.